Guys, we're ending the day with a dessert that's been around for half a century. People in the South have been making this one. It's banana pudding, and so easy. All you need is a box of instant vanilla pudding mix, and to that you add a cup of milk, a cup and a half actually. There you go. And some condensed milk. And you just whisk this together. When this is nice and blended, we want to take some whipping cream and fold it into this. I made the whipping cream with heavy whipping cream in an electric mixer, but you can buy ready-made whipping cream and just fold this in. Get it blended. This is a glass pan that we've got here, and we just line the bottom with little vanilla wafers. You can do this like a lasagna and do it in layers, or you can just do one layer of each. You guys know me, I'm on the lazy side, and I try to keep it simple, so I just do one layer of each. One layer vanilla wafer, one layer banana, one layer pudding, one layer whipped cream, garnish, the end.